That's fine, I'm recording. So it's just doing a dry run?
Yeah, I'm just having it set up in a dry for a scribing program.
What RPM is it going to be running at?
This is at 2,000.
2,000? Okay.
Yeah, I can turn the next one up.
No, that's fine. That's good enough.
6 or whatever.
Good enough.
Okay. I just threw some tools in and found a program that would work good.
So you run this machine alive?
Yeah, I pretty much ran it. Oh, so there's 6,500.
Oh, that's 6,500?
Yep.
6500.
Yep.
It looks like it's doing a little peck drill program.
This is actually a scribing program.
Scribing, okay.
Yes.
And what kind of, what's the part material this program is?
This is for bronze.
For bronze?
Yes.
So you run bronze and steel and...
We run bronze, steel, stainless steel, plastic, aluminum. Pretty much.
So you run all different kinds of materials?
Yeah, we run a little bit of nickel. We run everything.
It's running really high. Oh, I was talking about.
Oh yeah, I just ran a pump driving for the pacer and one driving just to kind of show.